Hi guys, today in this video we're going to see how to open a picture or an image file from a Python code. So first of all we have to import um, some modules. So import image, and over here the I in image is capital. Now we have to store the image in some variable, so we can take a variable, for example image1 is equal to, we say image dot open. Now open two brackets and type R, and then open two double quotes. That means this is a string. Now inside the string we have to put the location of the image. For example, I have this in this PC pictures. Now I don't know what location this is. So what we can do is right click on the image, go to properties, and over here we can see the location. We can just copy it, and then we can paste it inside the double quotes. Now we also have to specify the name of the image. So the name was pic.png. This code also works for JPG files and PNG files. So now this is this is the code to store the image in the variable image1. Now if we want to show the image, we can say image1 dot show and open and close brackets, because show is a function, and whenever we call a function we have to put brackets. Now let's run this. As you can see, the image has been opened successfully and there were no errors. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.